This is a brand new 2015 Ford Fusion Hybrid. It features a 4-cylinder engine and a continuous variable transmission. Its top features include a navigation system, Bluetooth cell phone integration, a rear-view camera, voice recognition, XM satellite radio, hill start assist, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, full power accessories, a 6-speaker audio system, the MyKey system, side curtain airbags, child safety seat anchors, rear seat child-proof door locks, a rear window defroster, and an auxiliary power outlet. With an EPA estimated rating of 41 miles per gallon on the highway, this vehicle pays off in the long run. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.